Hello, good afternoon. Gawa ako ng tea out of this spearmint. It is a kind of mint. Yan. Then, this one is stevia. Gawa ako ng tea out of mint, stevia, and tarragon. So, this is the tarragon. Okay. This is this stevia, the mint, and the tarragon. So, now, gagawa ako ng tea. Hot water. Mabango. Ang bango ng ng mint. May menthol talaga. Menthol. Yan. So, ganyan na po siya. Then, steep mo lang ng mga 3 to 5 minutes hanggang makaya mo siyang inumin. Yan. Hanggang kayanin mong inumin yung mainit na tubig. Yan. And then, ang amoy is very, very nice kasi may amoy ng mint. And then, may amoy din ng tarragon. Yes. The combination of mint and the tarragon. And the sweetness of the, what is that? Stevia. Yan. So, 5 minutes after, yan. Parang snow beer. Yung lasa ng snow beer ay talagang lasa ng mint. Ganyan. So, yan. And then, ang bango ng mint also, aside from the lasa, ang bango at ang maanghang, what is that? Parang chili. Chili. Ganyan. So, maganda talaga siya. So, after that, after 5 minutes na ganito, pwede mo siyang inumin diretso. Matamis-tamis siya dahil sa stevia. May pagka-menthol dahil sa sa peppermint or the spearmint. And then, ang ganda ng amoy ng tarragon. So, that's it. And then, pwede rin lagyan ng lemon. Pwedeng lagyan ng lemon tulad nito. And then, yan. Pwede rin lagyan ng honey. Yan. So, kumpleto na. May honey, may lemon, may stevia, may mint, and then may tarragon. Ganyan. So, lalo siyang sumarap. Yes. So, ayan na siya. Then, steep mo na lang din ito ng another 5 minutes hanggang makayanan mong inumin ang mainit. And then, ako kuminsan, nadamihan ko ng gawa. Yes. Dinamihan ko ng paggawa, tapos uminom ako habang mainit. And then, yung iba ay nilagay ko sa ref. Oo. So, kung gusto kong uminom, malamig. Kung gusto kong uminom, andun lang sa ref. Pero hindi na hot. Malamig na. Ang ganda. Ang sarap. Maganda kasi ito sa ating digestive system. O, di ba? Ang sarap. Yes, masarap. Maanghang dahil sa mint. Ganyan po. Maganda po ito. Kaya ako nagtatanim ako kasi gusto ko talaga na magkaroon ng sariling halaman. Mga 40. Okay. Para sa tea. What are the health benefits of lemon mint? One is it helps digestive system. So it is digestive health. For the digestive health. It acts as a natural remedy for digestion, bloating, and stomach cramps. So that is why it is nice to drink lemon mint. And then it is also, number 2, it is stress and anxiety relief. So if you are stressed, you will be calm down, and then anxiety also is controlled. So it is nice to drink every night of this lemon mint. So why it is stress and anxiety relief? Because it contains a compound with sedative properties, yes, which can help promote relaxation, reduce stress, and aid in sleeping. Yes, um, you will be having a stress relief because you can sleep well. Yes, because you can sleep well, you will have the stress relief. Yes. And then another one is immune system and respiratory support. So because it has more many compounds, like for example, the vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and then folate, and then there are many more. So that is why it serves as the uh, immune system booster. Yes, it boosts our immune system. So it's better to drink every day the lemon mint. And then respiratory support. You know what? This lemon mint is have menthol, yes. So sometimes I just pick the leaves and then I put it in my nose. And then the smell is it will go, it's very cold and then chilly and then very relieving. Yes, it is. It gives a relief, especially if you have the common colds. Yes, and then yes, congestion. So it is good for the respiratory system because it helps our throat, it helps our lungs. When you smell it, the fresh leaves, it is very comfortable. It is very relieving. Yes, and then it help our sore throat to relieve and also clear our nasal congestion. So kapag mayroon akong sinisipon ako, nilagyan ko lang ng fresh leaves dito, nare-relieve talaga na natatanggal yung nasal congestion ko. And yes, it is improve the airflow. Yes, you try the fresh leaves. And then another one is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Yes. Anti-inflammatory meaning if you have something inflaming inside your body, it is controlled by this lemon mint. And then antimicrobial, our digestive system, especially the digestive system, is prone to bacteria. Is or having many bacteria and other microbes. So it is being controlled by this lemon mint. So, hindi masyadong dumadami yung yung mga microbes inside our digestive system. It is being controlled by this lemon mint. Okay, so if it is having a compound which treat cold sores and reduce inflammation. Okay, next. Nutritional value. It contains antioxidant like rosmarinic acid. Okay? Again, it contains antioxidants like rosmarinic acid. Another one is phenolic acids and terpenes. So those are the compounds present in the lemon mint. So you have to have this kind of plant because it is nice to use the fresh lemon mint. Now, other uses for this is it is a mild sedative for anxiety and as a remedy for palpitations. Because if you are anxiety, you are palpitating. So just drink this one and then breath in, breath out, and then it will give you a calming effect. Yes. It is also used as beverages. Ako, ginagamit ko siya as juice. Linagyan ko ng lemon. Ganito, may lemon yan. And then, linagyan ko ng honey. It becomes a juice. And then, ilagay ko sa ref. And then, iniinom ko siya daily. Yes. 1 glass of this lemon mint tea. Yes. And then, kung magagawa ako ng ganito, dinamihan ko na lang. Yung iba is, iniinom ko yung habang mainit pa, yung iba nilagay ko sa ref as juice. Yung iniinom ko as tea. Hot tea, yes. So, usage, they are used as tea. Leaves are used as tea. And then for the culinary, it is used to flavor the salads, teas, and savory dishes. So, nilalagay ito sa mga dishes upang magbigay ng savor or the lasa, savor. Okay, the aromatic therapy. Aromatic therapy. Okay. Now, the fresh lemon-like scents help boost mood and reduce stress. That is what I did. So, kapag may sinisipon ako, nilagayan ko dito. And then, kapag basta araw-araw nilagyan ko dito ng fresh leaves. If you have there, you try. And then, you can feel the relief. Yes, that is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy. No, it is aromatherapy. And then the typical one, it is used as oil or cream for the skin. So, you just try drinking on this. You just try planting on this because this plant is very good. Yes. So those are the health benefits of lemon mint. Okay. And next is the stevia. What are the health benefits of stevia? Now, in the case of the stevia, okay. So the health benefits of the stevia is it manages diabetics. Why? Because we use this as our sweetener. We don't use the sugar, which may also spike our blood sugar. So it really manages the diabetes. Yes. And then it is also good for lowering the blood pressure. One of the causes of the blood pressure spike is due to the high blood sugar, and that is diabetes. And then the weight. So since we are controlling the sugar by avoiding the table sugar, we are also controlling our weight. And it has also insulin effect. It does not affect blood glucose or insulin levels. And its antioxidant property that may reduce cancer risk and improve heart health. Okay. So, it does not affect blood glucose or insulin level, and its antioxidant properties may help reduce cancer risk and improve heart health. So, these are the health benefits of the, what is this? The stevia. And then some people, I also tried, and I always make this as tea. And then sometimes when I make my lauoy, I don't use any seasonings. I use this stevia to what is that? Normalize the sugar. I know the salts. Yes. This will serve as my seasonings. And then I eat also 3 to 5 leaves a day for the stevia if I cannot make a tea out of the stevia. And then this one is, yes, it regulates the blood. Stevia contains antioxidants such as caempherol, which studies suggest may reduce the risk of pancreatic cancer. So that is it. So for the dental health, unlike sugar, stevia is non-cariogenic, meaning it may stop the growth of bacteria that cause cavities. Oh yes, because this has no cariogenic. And then it is safe. Is it safe for the children? It can help reduce the intake of sugary, high-calorie food in children's diet. Yeah, so it is safe for the children also. So those are the health benefits of stevia. Okay, next is the tarragon. Here are the health benefits of tarragon. Now, tarragon is an aromatic nutrients-dense herb. It is rich in manganese, rich in iron, potassium, vitamin A, and vitamin C. That improves digestion. So all of those mentioned nutrients improves digestion, aids in sleep, and then it lowers blood sugar and inflammation. So it has the same effect of the stevia and the lemon mint. So if these three are combined, we get the full health benefits. And it contains potential potent antioxidant, possesses oxidant. Okay. And then it possesses antimicrobial properties and can act as a natural mild analgesic for toothaches. So those are the health benefits of tarragon. So they have the same effect also of the lemon mint and yes, this one, the tarragon. So those are the health benefits of the three plants I used as tea. So this is 3-in-1 tea. So that is all, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you try planting this kind of plants so that you will have your own plants to be used as tea. And then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.